First of all, welcome to all the press media who are present here. They have taken their valuable time and have come here because, as Professor Musawwir Saab said, University of Kashmir is dear to everyone. It does not belong to any individual in the university or to the teaching, non-teaching faculty or students. It belongs to the society, of which we are very much aware, and doing our day-to-day business, keeping in our mind that we are accountable to the society. Worked very hard for months together to achieve this grade of A++. Believe me, it was not easy. It was a very hard work. We know that institutes don't come up overnight. They develop over the years pertaining to the development of the university, and to achieve this A++, coming from B++ to A, then A+, then to A++, it needs a vision, it needs a mission, for which I am so thankful to all my teaching fraternity, to all my non-teaching fraternity, to all my students, to all my research scholars, to society, to bureaucracy, to the Honorable Chancellor, to the Honorable Pro-Chancellor, to the Education Minister, who always were very much concerned about the accreditation of the university, why it is not being done, because of the NAC, because of their own issues which they had. Took some time, and at last gave us the dates. That was 29, 30, 31st. 2 people came here, physically. 5 people were online, and believe me, it was not an easy task. Morning till evening till 10 p.m. we used to busy, for which, right from my controller of examination, Dean Research, Dean Academic Affairs, Registrar of the university, and of course, Director of DICA, the PRO of the university, very well coordinated all the efforts. Everyone, my EMMRC team, my IT team, everybody, deans, heads of the departments, faculty, teaching, non-teaching faculty, students, coordinated in a very well mannered and gave their best because it was the honor of the institution, for which I am so happy. Being an alumni of this university, I have spent almost 40 years in this university now. Believe me, I have seen this university coming up, and now it has come to such a stature. We can compete globally, with any university. I am very much, sure about it and very much confident. Of course, A++ should not be the end. We should move forward, have more vision, come up to the expectation of our society, be at the global level, be more at the national level. Definitely we'll work on it, and definitely we'll see how we come forward. Rest, the stature of this university is so high. Aapko khud pata hai, we had our 2 satellite campuses, Kargil and Leh. It's a Ladakh university now. We started those campuses and they were our campuses. Aapka NIT hai, it was a constituent regional engineering college of this university. It is a national institute now, NIT. We had 5, our lead colleges, जो इस वक्त क्लस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी है. तो आप खुद सोच सकते हैं द स्टैचर ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी कितना बड़ा है, एंड what challenges it has faced. मुझे कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We have come through so many challenges, but in spite of that हमने quality of education पे कभी compromise नहीं किया है. We change our modes of whether it's admission, mode of everything, where the best quality would be maintained. I will come again, but before that I would like my Director DICA that he will throw light on the whole process of this NAC accreditation, how it is different from the previous accreditation. It is very much different from the previous accreditation, very robust, very transparent. Believe me, we were not allowed to give a flower bouquet to the assessors. It was kept so secretive. जब तक उन्होंने मॉर्निंग में एंटर नहीं किया यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस, आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग who are coming. So much of secrecy was maintained, and who were online, 5 people, they never knew each other. Who are these 5 people? This was the height of transparency, and we are thankful to the society. I said thankful to all my teaching, non-teaching fraternity, students, everyone who cooperated, and very rigorously we worked in order to organize ourselves. I said universities are not, they don't come up overnight. They are developed over the years. But definitely, during my tenure, other vice chancellors have worked equally very hard. I tried to organize the system. I tried to put in where we have to, intervene, whether it's technology, whether it's examination, whether it's academic calendar, whether it's a recruitment, which were our, loopholes, tried to plug them up. And Alhamdulillah, we are in front of you with our head high, that we have come up to the expectations of our society. I would like now, very briefly, recruitment has been our major achievement. In spite of all odds, we have been able to do at least 50% of the recruitments we have done in teaching, non-teaching also. We did some other, recruitments are in pipeline. Inshallah, our target is to complete it by end of November. I would definitely like Registrar to throw some light on it. You must have seen we have already introduced, data science and artificial intelligence, cyber security. Wherever, we feel that at once we should intervene and start the courses. We should not be left behind in that, because technology is very important. We started public administration, we started philosophy. From Kupara campus, I said there's a demand from the public to have BSc nursing and paramedical courses. Already our academic council has passed it. The new courses have to go through various statutory bodies. Unless the statutory bodies approve it, we cannot start the course. Definitely, as per the need of the society, as per the need of the hour, we keep on introducing new courses. And definitely, I said this is one of the premier institute of higher education. We are very much aware of our responsibilities, and the timely intervention, the new courses will be started. Our, now the first of its responsibility is NEP. We have to introduce in our university now. अब नया बैच जो नेप का है कॉलेजेस में रेडी हो गया है, हमारे पास आएगा. We have to prepare ourselves in the university. We were very much busy for last few months, a year or so. पूरे curriculum development के workshops हमने किए, faculty wise किए. हमारे resource persons throughout country से आए हैं in order to deliberate how the curriculum will be formed. So definitely, that is again one of our responsibilities moving forward. As I said, in research, in extension component, in teaching, introducing new courses, and innovation and incubation. We already, last NAC जब हुआ था, with a very, very low margin, we scored A+. Why? हमारे पास patents नहीं थे. But Alhamdulillah, we have 22 patents right now, which has given us more, marks in our innovation, incubation, and research component. So wherever we feel our alumni connect has helped us, we very much worked for the alumni, connect last year. Every department was said to have, alumni meet. So these are some of the university is not accredited only on the courses it introduces. It has other, parameters also, and number of parameters, like Indian knowledge system कैसे embedded है, multidisciplinary है कि नहीं है, so many things. Then what we are doing, you must be knowing that we have, we do free coaching for, civil services, and I'm happy to tell you it's free coaching. We were getting funds around 1 crore from the government, लेकिन batch जो यहाँ आता था, it was of their choice. Although our teachers used to work hard, our director CCS, and career counseling used to work very hard, but results were not good. I said stop that grant, we don't want it. हम अपने resources utilize करेंगे and very robust system of mechanism for the entrance and all that. 45 ने फिर क्या
60 plus.
नहीं 45 ने
नहीं 60 plus we made the admission 45
appeared 45 appeared in the
this is a very important success.
Electronics communication we have already shifted, in botany we have started in our north campus, so we are shifting Arabic we have shifted Kupwara campus में energy studies, physics, so slowly we are shifting क्योंकि it's the need of NAP now, NAP education की need है, we have to start integrated courses also in the university. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, आपने मेरी रग पकड़ी है कि क्योंकि मुझे भी ये एहसास है कि यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और इतनी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल फैकल्टी से नहीं चल सकती है, इससे कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल फैकल्टी का अपना नुकसान होता है. अभी तो इंटरव्यूज़ जो हमारे हुए, बिलीव मी, उसमें कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल फैकल्टी है जो इस वक्त एसोसिएट होती है, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर्स होते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली one by one and slowly as we said, कुछ पोस्ट वेकेंट हैं, प्रोफेसर्स के पोस्ट वेकेंट है, एसोसिएट के हैं, एपीज के हैं, वी आर फिलिंग देम. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस, अ वेरी रोबस्ट प्रोसेस, अ वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट प्रोसेस, और बहुत माइन्यूटली हमें देखना पड़ता है. जो भी हमारी स्क्रीनिंग होती है पोर्टल पे डालना पड़ता है, ग्रीवेंसेस को इनवाइट करना पड़ता है अगर कोई हो, फिर उस ग्रीवेंस को एसेस करना पड़ता है, स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी के पास वापस जाता, फिर से डालना पड़ता कि अब तो नहीं आपको कोई ग्रीवेंस है. इट्स अ वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट मैकेनिज्म. आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला, यूनिवर्सिटीज डोंट वर्क विद कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल फैकल्टी, विल गो अवे विद द कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल फैकल्टी. जहाँ पे नीड होगी वहाँ पे रखेंगे, बट विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट कि वी हैव द गुड टैलेंट.
मैं ऐड करना चाहता हूँ, आपने नॉर्थ कैंपस की बात की, यहाँ से बच्चे वहाँ पढ़ने जाते हैं तो उनको 1.5 घंटा आने दो, 1.5 घंटा वहाँ पर भी हॉस्टल जो है वो
देखिए, आप लड़कियों के लिए हमने एक और बड़ा हॉस्टल इनॉग्रेट किया है, लल्दन हॉस्टल विद अ ह्यूज कैपेसिटी. कुछ सीटें हमारे पास वहाँ खाली हैं जो फिल होंगी. लड़कों के लिए 3 हॉस्टल्स, इफ़ यू हैव सीन IOT ज़ुकरा, वी हैव बिग एक इंटरनेशनल हॉस्टल है, वहाँ पे भी अभी हमारे बच्चे हैं, इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास इतने नहीं है, बट वी हैव रिसीव्ड अराउंड 680 एप्लीकेशंस दिस टाइम फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स. लेट्स सी कितने एडमिशन्स होंगे. यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ कमिटेड टू एड ऑन टू इट्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. कर रहे हैं हम, अभी हमारे सेटेलाइट कैंपसेस में हॉस्टल्स आ रहे हैं. यहाँ भी हमने लास्ट ईयर ही हॉस्टल एक कंप्लीट किया. सो वन बाय वन थिंग्स आर कमिंग अप. सी ओवरनाइट नहीं आते हैं. वी आर ऑल्सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन फंड्स टू द गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट इज़ वेरी जेनरस, फंड्स हमें देते हैं एंड वेयर एवर, और स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट के लिए तो डेफिनेटली फंड्स आते हैं जब हमें नीड हो. वी रियली ऑलरेडी द projects have gone and we are our expectation is कि we'll get good grant again for the project.